There is a very unusual verse in the Quran. It says, "Innama yuwaffas sabirun ajrahum bighayri hisab." Innama yuwaffas sabirun ajrahum bighayri hisab. This is very unusual verse. Because it says that those people who are patient people, who perform sabr, they will be given reward. They will be unaccounted reward. You cannot find any other verse about any other teaching in the Quran. This verse specifically for sabr. So sabr is so important. Why? What is sabr? Sabr is not a passive attitude. Sabr is not cowardice. Sabr is not a passive attitude. Sabr is nothing but living in peace. Sabr means living in peace. I can say with conviction that this is the only definition of sabr. Sabr means patience. And Islamic patience is not cowardice. Islamic patience is living in peace. Now, what is living in peace? You know, in this world is a world of test. We are here for test. Pre-death period, we are living in test. Present world is a testing ground. So because of this scheme, God has granted man complete freedom. Every man and woman enjoys complete freedom given by God, by the Creator Himself. So no one has right, no one has power to abolish this freedom. So when man enjoys complete freedom, so it is but natural that they misuse this freedom. Everywhere you can see this phenomena, that people are misusing their freedom. Now, when people misuse their freedom, then it means creating problem. When a man or woman misuses his freedom, it means he or she is creating problems for others. So according to this scheme of God, according to this creation plan, every is a born problem person. Everyone is a problem creator. In such a situation, it means that you are living in a thorny bushes. You are living in a society where everyone creates problem. So in such a situation, sabr means adopting peace unilaterally. When you adopt the principle of sabr unilaterally, when you adopt the principle of of patience unilaterally, then it is sabr, then it is Islamic peace. So according to the creation plan of God, according to the scheme of life, sabr is a great virtue. Sabr is a virtue. Sabr is not an evil. Sabr is the greatest virtue in the eyes of God, because without keeping sabr, you cannot follow the religion of Islam.